In this video, you will learn how to determine points of interest, or POIs, for buildings, fences, and power lines. We'll start with buildings. Proponents often submit multiple case points for a proposed building. While many points may be required for close-in on-airport structures, some cases can be reviewed by submitting just enough POIs to create the structure's footprint. For instance, the submitted 12 points for this case could be reduced to 4 POIs. This will reduce unnecessary point reviews and increase efficiency. Remember, each on-airport proposal is unique and may require a different number of cases to properly evaluate in IOE AAA. More cases does not necessarily equate to a better review. A best practice is to identify the 4 corners of the building, assign an aeronautical study number to each point, and then group the 4 points or cases into one project. The highest site elevation or finished ground elevation should be recorded as the surface elevation, or SE, and the highest point of the structure should be used as the above ground level, or AGL. For this example, the proponent should submit points 101, 103, 104, and 105 as the POIs, 426 feet for the SE, and 37 feet for the AGL for each POI. As required, TechOps for flight procedures may request additional data on a specific structure or particular type, such as a building, crane, or fence. When recording the POIs for a building, some specific items to consider are: type of roof construction with vertical profile detail showing pitch and orientation with respect to the building footprint. Material composition of roof and exterior facade of building. Any additional exterior metallic rooftop or lateral building appurtenances, such as air handlers, ductwork, railing systems, and antenna systems. Building height, including the elevator shaft or any other structures, such as antennas. Next, when determining points of interest for fences, you do not need to submit every fence post. Points for each fence corner and changes in alignment are typically sufficient. Also consider runway thresholds and runway approach areas for points of interest. In general, a site plan depicts fence location, overall length, transition points, discrete section length, if applicable, AGL, and fabrication material. Metal fencing will require fence detail, site plan, and location where file coordinates are located. The ADO should screen drawings to assess if specific points may be needed by LOBs. Power line sections in runway approach areas, near nav aids, or at hub airports may require multiple points of interest, i.e., every power pole for responding LOB evaluators. Power line cases should be submitted with the following data: a site plan depicting the power line alignment with the capacity of each line run. The transition points of the alignment entered as a case and all alignment points grouped as one project in IOE AAA. Pole or tower design detail sheets for each structure, which contain the number of lines with tower-to-tower point-to-point details, such as straight run, twisted configurations, etc. Case remarks should accurately describe proposed power line projects.